She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, guys, we're going to go ahead and take some ordinary meatloaf and turn them into some magical meatloaf cupcakes. So these meatloaf cupcakes are going to be tasty little treats. They're going to remind you of a nice meatloaf dinner, but they're going to be somewhat in a bite-sized form that you're definitely still going to enjoy. So if you guys are loving the meatloaf idea and are ready to start this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so these are the meatloaf cupcakes. I had fun making these delicious little tasty treats. Tasted just like a bite of meatloaf and mashed potatoes. I'm sure you guys are definitely going to enjoy this. But if you did enjoy the recipe presentation, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. And if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.